Magandang buhay, Trojans. Our target for today is to create the two-story residential building, no, in 3D. But before we do that, we need to set up our AutoCAD program. So you need to look for the 3D modeling mode by clicking this WS current, no, or the workspace setting. So be sure that you're using the 3D modeling mode, not the drafting and annotation. Okay? Then, be sure also that you are using the ACAD ISO template. And how to check? By pressing Ctrl N. So you have to select the ACAD ISO .dwt or without the tail or the file extension .dwt. Okay? Then, since our target is to convert this into solid, you need to use the polysolid command. No? So just click this icon, polysolid, or you may type polysolid. Press enter key. Then modify the height, since our ground floor must be with a height of 3,400. So you have to set that into 3,400. Then the width, select the width, then set the value of 150. Enter key. Then for justify, you just set the default center. You may press enter key to accept the default setting. Then start by picking this endpoint or the corner. Then trace all the necessary corners in this manner. Then, once you reach this area, you just have to type C to complete the wall. Then you may continue doing the rest of the layout by pressing spacebar in order for us to activate the previous command, polysolid. Okay, again, spacebar to activate the polysolid command. Then press enter key to end the command. Then let me continue. So I need to type the command polysolid since I need to modify the height, no? So polysolid, enter key, then check the height. Since it is 3,400, I will now change the setting into 3,000. Then let me also check the width. So it's 150. I'll just accept it by pressing enter key. Then justification, I'll just check if it is on center. Then I'll just accept if it is already the current setting. No? So let me now pick this endpoint or corner. Then continue tracing all the necessary points in this manner. Then type C to close. Then the rest, you also have to press spacebar or the enter key in order to activate the previous command. Press enter key to end. Then for this area, I'll just press enter key, then continue. So again, guys, in order for us to activate the previous command, you just have to press the enter key or the space bar. Okay? So as a result, once you check the southwest isometric and the conceptual setting, we will now have this kind of result. This wall is the height of this wall is 3,400 and this one is 3,000.